Kevin Wilson, Certified Master Locksmith. Kevin Wilson is the source for locksmith service in the greater Metro Atlanta area. Licensed, insured, and bonded, certified by the Associated Locksmiths of America, the largest association in the industry, the only certified master locksmith in Gwinnett County, and one of only 7 certified master locksmiths in Atlanta, Georgia. Trust over 35 years of experience in the industry to meet your needs when you have emergencies, like needing your vehicle unlocked or repairs after a break-in. Residential services like door and frame repair, lock upgrades, repairs, installation or rekeying, intrusion protection, and more. Commercial services like high security locks, master key systems, panic hardware, security upgrades, electronic, digital, and biometric locking systems, safe repairs, and more. Most work is completed in the same day by Kevin and his team of professionals. The expertise to handle your needs, however large or small, and the experience to complete each job quickly and correctly so you can get back to life. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with same-day, on-location service by multiple mobile locksmith shops. Avoid the scams and trust Atlanta's expert locksmith. Receive a fair, over-the-phone, or written estimate before the work begins for all your emergency repairs and key-cutting needs. Residential and commercial services. Kevin Wilson, Certified Master Locksmith. Safety and security for your home and business.